sunny side of Bangkok. I'm currently in Thailand with ENQUIRIES. We just got to the mall. We're gonna have lunch first, and then we're gonna head to the hotel to check in, and then after that we're gonna go shopping. So yeah, today is our free time before we have dinner with the people from K-Bride, and then tomorrow is our event. But before our event, we also have a lot of free time, so we're gonna try to shop, show you guys around Bangkok. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and let's get the vlog started. We are gonna go into this restaurant. It's called Audrey. Oh my god, everything is so pretty. Yeah, everything is super aesthetic. Oh my gosh. We're gonna check in at our hotel. Ooh, only bathtub. The bathtub. Oh my god, what is that? What is this? Oh my god. Oh my god, they're so big. What is this? Oh, I have a feeling. Is it a person?
Is it a person?
Yeah. Huh? Our presents are so big.
Oh,
Oh, it's definitely not a human. Too light. 대박!
Free. Oh my god.
Oh, thank you! Oh my god, 진짜
뭐야? 와.
Guys, look! Balloon with our name on it.
ลงไปอยู่ไหมจ๊ะเราก็ถ่ายรูปแล้วนางก็
Thank you, K-Bride. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, K-Bride. I just got your travel set. Oh my god, K-Bride. I love you so much, K-Bride. Thank you. We're heading to dinner real soon. I think my lip color doesn't match my outfit. I just changed right away. Oops. The door hit me. The door just hit me. We are here at Patumwan Princess Hotel. So we're gonna have dinner here. We're gonna eat here. We're having Chinese food and it's called pings. Hi. We're gonna have dinner here. I feel so exclusive. Looks exclusive too. Hi. How to say my name is Sunny.
ฉันชื่อซันนี่
ฉันชื่อ Sunny.
Yeah.
I'm a YouTuber.
ฉันเป็นยูทูบเบอร์
ฉันเป็น YouTuber.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was that, guys. My attempt in speaking Thai. I'm so excited to eat coconut pudding. Apparently this is really famous from Thailand, so we're gonna try it out. Authentic.
Oh, is it like coconut?
Yeah. It's so good.
This coconut?
It is.
สูตรพ่อมาบ้าง
We're finally back in the room. We're gonna go to sleep now because we're both really tired. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. All set and ready for K-Bride event. Dining on ice. We're literally gonna dine on ice. Yay. This is my outfit for today for the dinner. I got this dress from Daba Girl. I love the pearl detail on the sleeve and right here as well. My heels is also from Daba Girl. I feel like I really like Daba Girl. Yay, we are here! K-Bride X Sephora. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's literally gonna be dining on ice. 언니 완전 이뻐. Oh, so pretty. Wow. Oh my god, guys. It's dining on ice. Look at this. This is unreal. So pretty. Is that ice? Is that ice? God. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Where's my name? Where is my name? Yeah. Sunny dahe. Yay! Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Wow. Hi guys, I just met Yen. She's so pretty. Oh my god, like
So pretty, but this is just my 25 days after surgery.
it's okay. You're still beautiful. That's all matter. Oh, sorry. No touching.
And liposuction,
Oh, she just
my
did
body.
fat grafting.
fat grafting and liposuction.
It's okay. She's still beautiful. We're just talking about like what she recommend in Thailand. So yeah, if she comes to Korea, I'll take her around to cute cafes.
Yeah, I'm single. Just kidding, just kidding. I'm just married.
Kidding, guys. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. So now we're gonna try out the Icy Lock Miracle Booster Pearl. They're gonna give like a little kit to us, so we're gonna try it out. Oh my god, it's like iced. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's iced. Oh my god. Okay, this. It melts. It melts. The consistency is really like non-sticky. It feels really cooling. And it smells really good. Oh, it smells really good.
รอบอีกรอบ
Oh my god, the dessert is so pretty. Mind blown. How can we eat this? This is too pretty.
อยากกินเลยอะดูของเขาอะจะมาถึงของเรา
너무 잘생겨서 어떡해. 잘생겼어. The event was really fun. We're gonna go back to our room now, pack, and get ready to sleep. Thank you, K-Bride, for inviting me and Angel. It was really fun. We had such a great time here in Bangkok. See you, Nina. See you. In Korea and in Thailand. Yes. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the room. We're back in the room and we got this goodies from K-Bride. And I really like how they wrap this bag, you guys. It's so fancy. Wow. Look at the box, guys. It looks like an ice box. Wow. Okay, this one is their serum. This one is there. Oh, this one is the icy lock. The one that they gave us just now. Oh, wait, it's different? Ah, I see. So let me show you guys how it looks like. So this is the serum. I love their packaging. It's really pretty. And this one is their Icy Lock Miracle Booster Pearls. The one that I showed you guys at the event. So I'm gonna be trying this tonight. Okay guys, I'm gonna sleep because tomorrow I'm gonna be doing a collab with my friend Ice Patty, and she's a YouTuber from Thailand. So we're gonna do a lot of like fun stuff, and I'll be speaking in Korean for our collab. So I'm actually really nervous because it's going to be my first Korean video. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning guys from sunny side of Bangkok. Today is my last day here. We have a lot of things to do today. It's actually one of the busiest day of the whole schedule today. So first we're gonna have lunch, and then after that I'm gonna collab with Ice Patty. I met her in Korea a year ago, so it's really nice to meet another YouTuber here in Thailand that I know of. So we're gonna have a collab, and then after that I think we're gonna have a free time. So maybe I'm gonna walk around because I want to get Converse. I really want to get a Converse shoes, the classic one. I think the one that Angel and you wear will look really nice, so I might get that. And then we're gonna be done with our schedule today. So we're gonna be sent to the airport after that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my last day in Bangkok. I definitely want to come back again. It has been a wonderful experience, wonderful memories. I just met so many nice people and the shopping is amazing. So definitely coming back. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and let's get it started. We are at Siam Paragon. This is another mall. Oh, everything looks so fancy. And I feel like every time I come into like Thai malls, they all smell so good. I feel like because Thailand are really famous for their aromatherapy, so it smells really good. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Look at this. So pretty. Can I live here? Look at this. The interior is so out of this world. It's beautiful. We're gonna have this sticky rice with mango. So excited guys. Apparently this is like their traditional dessert. Yeah, mango. Gonna eat here guys. Kua kling. So these are southern Thai.
Southern Thai, and actually
food.
this restaurant is Michelin recommend.
Oh,
Not this
really?
higher, but next level is this one.
Wow.
So very good outside.
That's egg, yeah. Oh, I want to try this. I love crab. I noticed that you guys have a lot of like spicy food. When I was in Malaysia, I tried to eat all the chilies as possible. Because Korean food is not that spicy. They claim to be, but I don't think they're spicy.
But I think the one of the instant noodle, the super spicy one.
The fire noodle?
Yeah, I see a lot of YouTuber doing that.
Right.
Have you tried it?
Have you tried it?
No, I haven't.
You should. We're gonna try mango sticky rice. Wait, so how do you eat this?
So we eat it with where is it? Oh, sorry.
Mac is showing us how to eat proper mango sticky rice. Do we like eat it together?
Together.
Oh, together. Okay, thank you. So excited. Okay, like this. I'm gonna try out the mango sticky rice now. Oh. I think on the way to the studio, I'm gonna sleep. This is good food. Hey guys, I'm at a studio with Ice Patty. We're gonna do collab together, so I will link it down below once it's up, right? Yes. We just finished our collab and I just put makeup on eyes. So if you guys want to watch it, I'll link it down below when it's up. So don't forget to subscribe to Ice Patty, guys. She's so lovely. And she'll definitely come to Korea and I'll show her around.
Yeah, thank you, Sunny, for making up me very pretty.
You're very pretty already. Finally at the airport now. We're at the gate. So I'm just gonna end my vlog here. I'll see you guys in Seoul. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Annyeong! I'm finally back in Seoul and I just want to give you guys a little update on the products that I've mentioned earlier in this vlog. This whole Bangkok trip was actually for K-Bright event and they recently launched these two main products right here. I really like them and I've been using two of this Icy Lock Miracle Booster Pearl and this one is in Dream Tone, and I also been using their illuminating serum as well together. So basically what it does, it comes in a little like pill right here, and then what you do, you take this and take a drop or like 2 drops, it's up to you guys, but I usually take like a little bit more than 1 drop, and then you just blend it. And then after you blend it, you just apply it all over your face. I like applying this at night. I really love how hydrating they are, and they also contain vitamin C. The cool thing about this product is that this one dries up all the fresh ingredients, and it's actually called freeze drying, and also this technology was never ever done before, so I really love it. And when I first saw it, I was like, oh my god, this is so interesting. So I've been using this one for 3-4 nights now and I really like it. I love how in the morning when I wake up, especially with these two products, tend to brighten up my skin a little bit, and then the most importantly, it hydrates my skin. So when I wash my face off and then apply moisturizer and things like that, my makeup tend to look better. Most Korean brands, they only highlight hyaluronic acid, but this one, they have both. They have vitamin C as well as hyaluronic acid, so I really like it. They're a really good combination. Another cool thing about this product, usually when it's vitamin C, when it's exposed by the sun, the product tends to not work as well. But this one, because they flash freeze it and then they dry it as well, all the ingredients when you apply it onto your skin is still fresh. So you can actually carry this one everywhere with you, and they're a really good combination together. Especially this one, they're very travel friendly. I know that they gave me this for the event, but I actually went home and tried it out for a couple of days and I really like it. For people who have really dry skin, and if you guys have normal to combination, I would highly recommend you guys to check this out. It really helps to make your skin look more like plump in the morning. That's all for my short review. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll come back with more vlogs in the future as well as beauty. I'm so sorry that I've been neglecting this channel for a while. I feel like I've been focusing too much on the Indonesian channel, but I'll be back on this one and be more consistent. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't, and also like this video, and I'll be back real soon. Annyeong!